I have this beautiful picture frame. I purchased it at Michael's several years ago, 7 of them for $5. I will start by taking all the metal pieces out. I will begin by staining the entire piece. Once the picture frame is completely stained, I'll put it to the side, and I have this little bunny that I'm going to be giving one coat of this white chalk paint. So now that both pieces are completely dry, we'll start assembling them. I also have these ruler sticks that I will be using. I already cut the top of it, and I am going to use some of this hot glue, and I'm going to put one piece in the bottom and one piece on top. I have this light pink color that I will be distressing the bunny with it. With this brown acrylic paint, I'm going to start distressing the two pieces of ruler sticks. And now coming with the napkin, I'm going to just wipe it off. I thought the picture frame was looking a little too dark for me, so I am coming back with some white acrylic paint, and I will put it in the entire piece. Coming in with this nautical rope, I am going to hot glue two pieces in each corner. Continue to watch so this can make sense. And this is the way it's looking so far with the nautical rope. I also have this burlap ribbon, it's mint color. I'm going to be making a beautiful bow, and I will be hot gluing it on the bunny. And I also have some white and purple flowers that I will also be gluing on top of the beautiful bow. Taking this rope apart, I am going to create the word hop, and I will be gluing it above the bunny. I'll show you the final reveal in a second. I'm taking some more nautical rope, and this is the way that I'm going to hang up my picture frame. I lost the footage, but I did add some yellow flowers above the word hop, and I believe it turned out beautiful. I hope you enjoy it. Coming in with this picture box frame. It has a little light in the inside. I'm going to remove the whole front. After that, I'm going to sand it down, making sure that we don't get hurt with any splinters. I'm going to cover this little bitty light over here, and I'm going to paint it with this white chalk paint. Once that is completely done and dry, I'm coming in with this rose color acrylic paint, and I will be painting the border. I'm gonna set that box to the side, and I'm going to use this dark pink color to cover up this half of an egg. I'm gonna give it 2 coats and set it to the side. In the meantime, I'm coming in with this little bunny and this adhesive vinyl paper, and I'm going to cover this bunny with it. Once that is in place, I'm coming in with my finger blade, and I will cut the excess vinyl. As you can see, I added that support in the back. And with these little ornaments, they're eggs, I'm going to use 2. I'm going to color one with the pink color, and the other one I'm going to use that same vinyl paper. I'm going to do the same technique, and here it is. And now we'll start putting the whole entire piece together. Keep watching. This is all coming together. I had that little bitty bunny also from the Dollar Tree, and I put it up there, and that ribbon, I forgot, but I lost the footage again. I put it inside the picture frame. I think it gives it character. And that little carry that you see there, I wind up taking it away and adding a butterfly. You'll see. If you're seeing my videos, you know that I like using these little snakes. I'm cutting the tail and the head, and this is how I'm going to hang up my picture frame. I hope you enjoy it. I have these eggs and bunnies from last year. They come in white, and of course I painted them. I'm going to use several of these pieces to create my own garland. I also have these fillers that I will also use. And this is the needle that I will be using. This DIY was super easy, nothing to it. I'm coming in with some hot glue and just putting it together so it won't come apart. Super easy. I will show you the final reveal in just a moment. I hope you enjoyed it. And these are the items that I will be using. I have these eggs from Dollar Tree. These bunnies that I'm recycling. I don't even remember where I got them. I've had them for a while. I also have this beautiful sign. I will be painting those words in black later on. And with these letters, I'm going to cut out the word rejoice. We'll start by painting these bunnies in white, but before we do that, let's take these eyes out and make sure that we take also out that glue that was inserted in there. So I'm gonna give it at least 2 or 3 coats in white. So I have my word rejoice, and I will start putting it on the eggs. I'm going to put them on. These are transferable, by the way. All you do is just rub on it and the letter just transfers over. I'm going to, oh, by the way, that was my little girl. Her name is Diva. She just ran away. I'm not going to put them perfect. I'm going to, you'll see what I say. Just keep watching. It'll all make sense. They're not going to be all evened out, and that was meant to be that way. Now all the letters are transferred over, so I'm going to hot glue all these eggs on top of this beautiful sign that says, "Good things are coming your way." Okay, and now with these pom-poms, I'm going to use them as the bunny tail. Look at how beautiful. I am so in love with this piece. I think this is my favorite. Comment in the comment section and let me know which one is your favorite. And again, if this is your first time stopping by, go into the comment section and introduce yourself and let me know from what part of the world you're watching me. So I'm going to make 2 little bowls with this jute twine, 1 for each bunny, and I will also put a purple flower on the middle of the bowl. You'll see. And I'm going to give it some definition by putting this jute twine on the border of this little sign here. And later on off camera, I took these words and I went on with a Sharpie and I traced over the word "good things are coming," and I used the black color Sharpie. I want to thank you once again for staying until the end of the video. I hope you enjoy all these DIYs for Easter, and if I did inspire you in some kind of way, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy it.